Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Apple ID verification code not receiving problem on your iPhone, or how to fix two-factor authentication problem on your iPhone. So guys, if you're also facing this problem and you are unable to receive the verification code, or you are unable to set up a two-factor authentication, or you are unable to turn on or turn off two-factor authentication on your iPhone in Apple ID, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device, and from here scroll it below and go to general, and then go to about, and from here scroll it below, and from here check if there are any career updates available for you. So guys, you have to simply update your career settings if there are any update available. Then after this, go back and now go to software update, and make sure that you are using the latest version, and if there is any update available for you, then you have to simply update it to the latest version as well. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time, and from here you have to simply set your date and time, or turn on the toggle for set automatically, and set your date and time from here as well. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. After this go back and now go to VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN on this device, and if there is any connected VPN, then you have to simply disconnect it. And after this go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open settings again and now scroll it below and go to screen time, scroll it below and go to privacy and content restrictions. After this, turn off this toggle, and after this go back and now you have to scroll it below, go to apps and now scroll it below all the way, go to messages and turn off the toggle for iMessage, and after this turn it on. Then go back to your home screen and restart your device for one time. So I simply restart your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if you are still facing this problem, then you have to open Support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.